Hello, this video is how to visualize longitudinal data using R, part two. In part one, we presented some plain vanilla basic plots. So in this part two, I want to show you a few uh, fancier plots. Okay. First, let's load required libraries: ggplot2, lattice, dplyr, tidyr, and ggpubr, ggregis, gganimate, and ggifski. Okay. And set a random seed, number of subjects 10, number of points 12, and create a data set. And with values, and let me just print out the first few rows. This is what the data look like. A typical longitudinal data set in the long format. Okay, so the first is a spaghetti plot. We did this in part one, but let's redo it. Look like that. And then you got the lattice panel plot, look like that. One panel for each subject. And we last time we showed how to plot the mean and standard errors, but we can use the package ggpubr, calculate summary data, the means and SEs now, standard error. And then we use gline in this way, add mean SE and group equal to 1, and get the title. It look like that. Okay. We didn't do it by group, but it's a good exercise how to plot by group. Okay. Okay. And another interesting plot is the ridge plot. So we use the ggridge, and we use ggplot, and field is vector equal to time, and then we use GOM density ridges. Okay, use that function, and it look like that. Okay, so this is the density of values over time. It's a pretty nice presentation showing you how the distribution of the outcome varies across time points. Okay. All right. The last one is animated trajectories using gAnimate. So first we need to generate the object. So using the ggplot, and we just pay attention to transition underscore review of time. Okay, and then to really show the animated plots, we use animate the P object, then renderer equal to gifski underscore render parentheses parentheses. It's going to take a little bit of time. Here it comes. Yeah. Okay, so these are a few fancier plots for longitudinal data sets. Hope you like it. Thank you.